If you guys want to learn how I achieved this makeup look, just keep on watching. This is how my makeup came out. It's super simple, guys, and I think I'm gonna wear this makeup look when I go to work tomorrow too. But this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Yeah, thank you guys again for watching. Love you guys. So let's just begin. I'm gonna try to go for like a more natural look. I'm gonna probably put up a picture right here on what I'm kind of going for. So I bought this new palette. So this is the KKW crystallized palette. It looks like this. I'm gonna take the color Mother of Pearl. That's that like my skin tone, kind of to set the concealer. I'm gonna take the M504 brush from Morphe, and I'm gonna start out with the shade Matte Tiger Eye. I'm gonna close up the eye, but so I'm just gonna take this and I'm gonna literally like brush this all over the lid. So you can take it to even like the inner corner, but I like to put it on the lid as well, and while I drag it out, so this makes it go like everywhere and like that airbrushed effect. I'm gonna dip in the brush to Lava Stone, so that's this shade. I'm putting it all over the lid and on the crease. So this one it's a little bit more pigmented. So I'm not gonna take that much. Look at how pigmented that one is right here. Really pale white. That took a minute. I kind of wanted like simple lashes, so I'm just gonna start with a hydrating. I'm gonna test out this face mist. So I'm so excited to try this. This is a continuation spray. I'm gonna take this Rare Beauty foundation. This is like a satin matte. I'm gonna mix it with the Makiage foundation and how my foundation is looking. contouring thing, take this brush. I use this brush to really sculpt my face. Don't like go like this because I feel like that's what moves the foundation. I got the shade translucent. KKW powder contour. This is in the shade number 7. This is like my favorite lipstick right now, the Carly Bible in Libra. This is how my makeup turned out. Let me go ahead and change and then I'll be right back. You guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Yeah, thank you guys again for watching. Love you guys.